Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and we have had an amazing month, right? Can you believe it? It's been a fun month with releases at the Stamps of Life. So I thought I'd do a little recap because I'm so worried you might have missed something, and I want to make sure you get in on it if you want it. So first we started out the month with our cute little frog to stamp. He's so adorable. I just love him so much. Look how cute he is over here. Have a hoppy day. Look at that cute pond that we die cut for the background. Look at this. Oh, and there's the hanging dot stencil in the background as well. I love that little pond. It's so adorable. Here's another one. Oh, look, this is a Creative Decks card. Look how cute. Have I told you lately? Toad. Get it, Toad. Oh, we also had our lily pad folded. So adorable. Two different options here. Look how cute they are with those little froggies on them. I just absolutely love them. Then I got to share a little bit about the baby's farm party, and I rushed these into production because I wanted you to have them in time for spring. I wanted you to have them in time for Easter and any farm things you wanted to do. But look how adorable these two little critters are. I absolutely love them. Oh, and here's another cute one on our Fence Slimline. You guys hear me say it all the time. Fence Slimline, Fence Slimline. We use this one so often. I absolutely love it. Now, those of you that like big cards, dun, 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 we had the 5x7 decal edge with lots of fun words. But look how cute that little that Mother's Day card is. But look at that. You got this. Isn't that awesome? Those big words are in the card base and even more, which is so fun. We also released our drop-in words. Congrats, thanks, and miss you. Perfect for, this is an A1 elegant size card. You can use them for any size card. They are the best drop-ins because you can drop them in, or they come with the rectangle dies that can go around them as well. So versatile, let me tell you. Then oh, there's that fence again. We released our cute little fox, little Peep. Look at her, look at him carrying that wagon of chicks. I'm a little concerned about those chicks. Should I be or not? I don't know. That little fox. Then we released our I'm So Grateful card die set. No, it's not a die set, I'm sorry. It is a card front, but look at how stunning that is. You can use the negative pieces as well as the positive pieces. Here we use just the negative, and we have that hologram paper behind it, and it looks stunning, doesn't it? Oh, it's so beautiful. Then we also released our Lazy Girl. I'm gonna call them Lazy Girl shaker cards because they really are. Because look at that. It turns the entire card front into a shaker card. Isn't that awesome? It's that little bag. It's so simple, but it layers perfectly onto an A2 size card to make shakers for lazy girls, sometimes like me. I like to make regular shakers, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you just want a fast one. That's what you need these for. Then we had our cute little cow, little Peep. This is on our circle fold it. Look how cute that is. Here we also released our square stand up. Now I did release this originally with the other company. Now it's finally for the first time available on our website. We also released our rounded squares. One of those that you never think about, but you definitely need. Let me tell you, because I definitely needed it. Here's an example using the rounded squares to make a cute little card using our eggs for critters. So cute. Oh, in our mom's embossing folder. Okay, here we go. How you doing? I love this little guy. Cute little cow, and that hexagon background just adds an extra little touch, doesn't it? I just love that. Now, this is the debate. Does it say wow or does it say mom? The choice is yours. You get to make this fold it say mom or wow just by where you put the fold. Isn't that exciting? It's like 2 for the price of 1. And last but certainly not least, our Triple Playful Flip It card. I love this one. I did release this with the other company. It's now finally for the first time on our website. Triple Playful Flip It card. Woo! What a mouthful. My friend, thank you so much for this fun recap joining me, because you know what? It's so much fun just to kind of see the whole month in one quick video. If you missed out on any of these, club members, never fear. You're getting the club discount on all of these products, so you get 15 to 20% off. It's like a sale every single day for our club members. If you're not in the club, go check it out. It's only $13.99 a month for the Stamp Club, and you get a 15% discount off of every single item on our website. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.